welcome to Girl Got Style. It's me again, Jules Stokes. Happy New Year. I know we're already a week in, but it's gonna be amazing this year. And I thought, because it's 2020, I will show you exactly how to do your life wish list. Now, I talked about a life wish list that I did years ago in my last vlog, and a lot of those dreams came true. So I want to share this information with you because I want everybody, every single person, to be healthy and happy and have everything that they want. And I truly believe, well, I looked at my wish list. If you go to the last vlog, you can see yourselves that a lot of those things came true. I was in Chorlton, which is a great place. I was single, and through my wish list and working through those 7 wishes, I've got everything I want. I think it's amazing. So I've done it again. I've done another wish list. I don't think you have to wait as long as I did last time to look at your wish list. I think if there's 7 wishes, which it is 7 wishes, I think that you can only have to wait 7 years. But I think you've got to keep your wishes secret, so I'm not going to share all my future wishes with you. But basically, I put 7 wishes. I don't want you to zoom in too closely, camera person. I've put 7 wishes down on a list. I'm going to stick it on the back of a picture. I was going to pick mine and Jerome's caricatures that we had done in Future Ventura, but I changed my mind and decided I'm going to do it on the back of Bowie because I love this man. Maybe he'll look down from the heavens and give my wishes a bit more help. So I will share the information with you in 7 years' time. What happens if I'm still blogging then? I probably will, but I don't know. But, I better not. I won't be able to get it back on the wall again. I might have to stick another piece of paper over the top because I don't want, when we renovate this flat, I don't want to look at these wishes. Oh, I should have brought some scissors. Right, I'm going to have to, you get the idea. Basically, I'm going to stick it back on the wall. I've not got any scissors with me, which is quite annoying. But to cut a long story short, you write your 7 wishes down, you put it on the back of a picture, don't tell anyone, don't look at it for 7 years, forget all about it. I'm going to stick another piece of paper on because I know I have to move the picture at some point. And the job's done. All your wishes, they've already come true because it's already written down in the stars. It's magic, this. This is why I want to share it with you. So please do it. And please let me know that you did it on the comments, because honestly, it really works. I'm trying to help you guys. You're welcome. I got style. You got style. Girl got style. Signing out.